All right, so this is confessional time. You have just officially made your first unit. Let me see. Nice. So tell me, what did you think? How was class?
It was good. You know, you was very patient, very detailed. Each step was very detailed, and it was good. I liked it. It was very easy. I recommend this class because it's just the beginning of success of making wigs on the sewing machine.
Turn it inside out. I want to see the inside. Because this is your first time. You never used a sewing.
I never used a sewing machine. I didn't.
Ever. Never.
On the inside, never. Like I said, she's very patient.
Never used a sewing machine before. Patient. Let me see the inside.
Is it inside?
Ooh, turn it around. I want to see them stitches.
Oh, yeah. This is from the lace.
Ooh, let me see how straight those stitches are. Wow. Look at you. Look at you.
Thank you. Look, you made me blush.
Oh, snap. Sorry, y'all. We was in here cutting up.
No, bro. This was up. I'm proud. I'm blushing. I'm shy, but I'm proud of myself at the same time.